Good morning, my dear students. I am here to take social science. Okay, shall we start our new lesson today? So today we are going to start with a new block 5, our built heritage. So you already understood built. From built, the word built you understood. Built, what it is? What it is? Yes, building. It is building. That means which? Do you know about the building heritages of building heritages? Do you know about the buildings? Do you know what it is? What it is telling about our built heritage and all? What it is? What it is telling about? It is telling about, yes, about our past. Very good, about our past. From the past they are telling about our built heritage. That means building, that means building heritages. Okay, so you know about some historical building. We are going to study about some historical building. What we are going to study? What we are going to study? Historical building. Very good. Historical building. Okay. Historical building. You heard this word? History. Do you heard about this word? History. What do you mean by history? What do you mean by history? History means the study of, yes, see, study of present. Study of present. Say, yes, very good. History means the study of past, study of which we are studying about the past. Okay, that means what all the things happened in the past. Yes. Okay, so we can come to our point. What? Historical buildings. What do you mean by historical building? You know what do you mean by historical building? What do you mean by historical building? Do you know? Historical building. I think you get an idea about historical building. Which are the historical building you see? Can you say one example? Can you say one example? I will show one picture. Then you will get an idea about historical building. Okay. See, can you see this picture? Can you see this picture? Yes, you understood. What is this? What is this? Yes, very good. Taj Mahal. It is Taj Mahal. So, Taj Mahal also a historical building. Okay, so what you meant by historical building? What is historical building? What is historical building? That is special for. That is special. What special? It's our part of our heritage. Very good. So historical building are what? The specials that are specials. Yes, that are yes, very good, part of our heritage. Yes, very good. Our heritage, it is something special and it is part of our heritage. What do you mean by heritage? You heard this word heritage. What do you mean by heritage? So what is the keyword here? Heritage. What is the keyword here? Heritage. So what do you mean by heritage? You heard about heritage. Heard about heritage? Heritage. What it is? Yes, heritage means, what do you mean by heritage? Heritage. What do you mean by heritage? Yes, what? You heard about heritage. Do you heard? Heritage what? It is something that has been handed to us from the past. That means from the past people they handed over to us. Something they handed over to us. We are not doing anything and we are not shall we make that building and all? No. That in the past, those people our past, that means our before that grandfather, before that grandfather's father, like that going past, those people are handed over something to us. That is known as what? Heritage. What is heritage? What is heritage? Is something, very good, heritage is something which had been handed to us who? from the past. From the past. Understood? Understood or not? Understood? So what we studied today? Our built heritage. Our built heritage. So what is the historical building? That means the special, that are the part of our heritage. The part of our heritage. So what do you mean by heritage? Heritage is something which has been handed to us. Which has been handed to us. Which has been handed to us from the past. What is heritage? It is something which has been handed to us from the past. So what we need to do for this heritage to keep is to maintaining. What we need to do? We need to conserve it. We need to preserve it. It's our duty, no? Then only our future, then only next generation also they can see these things and all. It's our duty to preserve it. Understood? So what you understand from this? That means our India has a rich heritage. No, our India has a rich heritage and its historical building and what? Historical building and sculptures are its building heritage. What building heritages? What we studied? Building heritages. Which are the building heritages? Yes, building heritages. Which are the building heritages? Yes, historical building. Historical building. Then, and yes, historical building. Yes, sculptures. Sculptures are the historical buildings. Building heritages of India. What are the building heritages of India? Historical building and sculptures. So you understood what are historical building? That is something special. Historical buildings are something special. What? That are the part of our heritage. Heritage, understood? So what is heritage? Tell me, what is heritage? Yes, I can hear from you. Yes, tell me, what is heritage? Yes, very good. Heritage what? Heritage is something that, yes, that has been handed to us. Heritage is something that has been handed to us from the past. Understood? So what is heritage? Building heritages. Which are the building heritages of our country? Which is our country? Our country which? Yes, India, yes. So which are the building heritages? Yes, historical buildings and sculptures are the building heritage. Understood? Example. I showed one picture. Do you remember that I showed one picture? Which picture was? It was very good. Taj Mahal. It was Taj Mahal. It was Taj Mahal. I will show you once again. Okay, you see this Taj Mahal. Can you see this Taj Mahal? It's a picture of Taj Mahal. All of you take your workbook and just read. I will give you 1 minute. Okay, just read about Taj Mahal. Yes? Read. Finish. Did all finish? Okay. So what? Historical building. What about which historical building you learned now? Which one? Very good. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. When it built, you know? How much time take to build that Taj Mahal, you know? That means 22 years. Yes, take to build Taj Mahal. 22 years take to build Taj Mahal. Yes. Then who built Taj Mahal? Who built Taj Mahal? You heard about who built Taj Mahal? Yes, very good. Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal in which year? 1632. Then what? It's a beautiful monument. It's a beautiful monument. So you understood what all the things we studied? We studied about our built heritage and one building that our historical building, what? Taj Mahal also we studied. Okay, I will show you one chart. Yes, all of you look here. Built heritage. Built heritage. What all the things we studied about built heritage? Just look here. We can revise once again. Okay. Built heritage. What all the things? Yes, it is the source of our history. The source of our history. Then what? It is the special to India. It is special to India. Then what we studied? Old historical building sculptures. Old historical building sculptures. Yes. Then what? Which materials is used to make the built heritages? Which materials do you think? Which materials did they use? Now we are using to construct a house. We are using that iron, like that things they used. That cement, iron, like that things they used to make this historical building. No, what they use? They use made of what? Stone, mud and bricks. They use what? Made of stone, mud and bricks. Then it will tell us what? It help us. It tells us what? About the past. It tells us about our past. Then what we need to do? Who preserved it? Who preserved it? Yes, preserved by the earlier generation. I told you our grandfather's father, his father, like that going. Okay, so preserved by earlier generation. Then who built this all? We are the people built that one. We are the people. No, who built this one? Yes, built by the rulers that time who ruled that year. Okay, the rulers who built what? This historical building. So you understood what is historical building, the specialities of historical building. Why we need a historical building? Why? It is special to India. Then old historical building sculptures. What is historical building? I told you. Old historical building and sculptures are the built heritage. Okay. Old historical building and sculptures. Okay. Then it made with these are the features of essay. Yes, usually it made of stone, mud, bricks. Then what? Yes, it tells about the past. Then what? Preserved by the earlier generation. Preserved by the earlier generation. Then who built this? Built by those who ruled. Yes, us. Those who rules us. Okay. Understood what is built heritage? Built heritage. Understood or not? Understood? Yes. So what is built heritage? Source of our history, special to India, old historical building sculptures, usually made of stone, mud and bricks. Then tell us about the past. Then preserved by earlier generation. Then built by those who ruled us. That time who ruled? The rulers, they built that one. Okay. So again we study about one historical building. We studied about one historical building. Which was it? Yes, very good. Taj Mahal. So what are the features we studied about Taj Mahal? I will show you. Taj Mahal. Okay. So who built Taj Mahal? Who built Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. Yes. Who built Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. Yes. How many years take to build it? How many years to build that, to complete the work of Taj Mahal? How many years? How many years? 2 years. No, very good. 22 years. 22 years take to complete the work of Taj Mahal. Okay. So it is considered as a beautiful monument. Okay. So what about we can, if we saw the Taj Mahal, what all the features we can, or what about the thing we can study from Taj Mahal by seeing? Yes, it is the 7 wonders of world. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Then Preserved for many years. Now also it is preserving. Preserved by for many years. Then what? It is the heritage of India. Then simple associated with India. That it's a pride of India. No. Then brought to fame to our country. It is famous. No. Taj Mahal, it is famous. No. Whenever we go outside, we can say Taj Mahal is in our country. So it is famous. No. For us. Yes. Then tell us about the past. Tell us about the past. You understood? Taj Mahal. About Taj Mahal. Who built Taj Mahal? Who built Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. Very good. How many years took to build it? 22 years. Very good. Then who? Then it's a beautiful monument. So you understood today's class. What all the things we studied? Built heritage. That means historical buildings and sculptures are known as built heritages of India. Okay. Then one building we studied historical building about Taj Mahal. It is built by who? Shah Jahan. How many years took to build it? 22 years. Very good. Then it's a beautiful monument. Understood? And we can study about the past also by seeing this building, historical building and the sculptures. Understood? Okay. Then shall we go with our workbook? All of you take your workbook. Page number 29. Page number 29. Okay. You see, what is the first question? Describe each pictures in two words. One has been, they already done one. Okay, that means, what is this? Qutub Minar. Yes, the Qutub Minar in Delhi built around 1192. So what it is the special, what is the specialty, what is the feature of that one? Yes, they are written very tall. Very good, very good. Then next one. Which is that? The Charminar. Very good. Charminar. Where it is? Charminar. It is in? Yes. Hyderabad. It is in Hyderabad. Charminar. It is in Hyderabad. Okay. So, how we can describe it? How we can describe it? It has, you just see. Yes, we can describe it. It has 4 towers. It has 4 towers. Very good. Then, next one what? Did you see this one anywhere? Did you see this one in anywhere? That is a must for us. Without that one, we can't live. It is a must for our daily life. You see this thing. We can see it in our note. That currency note, and in coins we can see this one. No, what is this? It is known as Ashoka pillar. Yes, who built Ashoka pillar? Yes, built in 3rd century before Christ. So what is the feature of this one? Standing lions. Very good. Standing lions. Next one. What is this? You already studied, I think. This is about Ellora, Ajanta, Ellora caves in Maharashtra and all. No. Yes, Ajanta, Ellora caves. It is Ellora caves. What it is? Built in 8th century. Okay, what you can see, what feature? Yes, it has beautiful carvings. That means beautiful carving. That means inside what stone statues will be there, like that. Beautiful carvings. Yes. Next one what? Yes, Kumbhalgarh Fort. Kumbhalgarh Fort where Rajasthan, built in 43 to 58. In between this much here it took to complete its work. Then what is that feature? Yes, what is the feature? We can see fastly. What is the feature? High walls. Very good. High walls. High walls. Okay, then next one. Sanchi Stupa. Where it is? Madhya Pradesh. When built between 3rd and 12th century. Okay. What is the specialty of this one? Rounded roof. Rounded roof. Very good. Rounded roof. Very good. Okay. Yes. Just turn the page and take page number 30. Page number 30. What? G. Bishnupur temples. Where it is? West Bengal. What is the specialty? Yes. Yes, very good. It has 3 entrances. 3 entrances. What? 3 entrances. Has 3 entrances. Very good. Yes. Next one what? Brihadveshwara temple in Tanjavur. What is the special feature you see? See? Yes, very good. Very tall tower. Very tall tower. Very tall tower. Yes. Next one what? It's a university. Not Calicut University. It is Nalanda University in Bihar. What do you see? Nothing is there. No carvings. No statues is not there. No. So its specialty what? Yes, of course. No carvings. No carvings. No carvings. Understood? Understood? So each historical building are different. No, each one is different from others. Not in same that shape and its sculptures. All the things you see, difference are there. Understood? Okay. Then shall we go with the second question? What is the second question? What is the second question? Write 3 sentences about why do you think these buildings are special. Name 2 other buildings which are our heritage. Okay. So these buildings. What is the first one? They already given. They are old historical buildings. Second one. Yes, very good. They tell us about the past. Tell us about our past. Tell us about our past. Very good. One more thing. Can you say one more thing? Yes. They have beautiful. Yes, you can say statues, carvings are there. Anything. Okay, I will give my answer is they have beautiful architects. They have beautiful architect. They have beautiful architect. Very good. Beautiful architecture. Okay. So the number 2, how we can think buildings are special, how they can tell us about our past and their beautiful architecture. Okay. Then they ask name 2 other buildings which are our heritage. Can you say? Can you write the answer? Name 2 other. Yes, very good. Sun Temple in Konark. Where Sun Temple, Konark, and you can write Hawa Mahal of Jaipur. Sun Temple, Konark, and Hawa Mahal of Jaipur. Okay, what is third question? Where else have you seen the Ashoka pillar as shown in picture C? Where can you see that one? I already told we can see it in the currency notes and coins. Very good. So take next page, page number 31. You already read it, no? And you need to read that paragraph and you need to fill this one. Okay. We will just, okay. Describe these 4 Taj Mahal. Okay. Building material. What are the materials they use to build Taj Mahal? Precious stones and marble. Yes. Then how many workers are there to build that one? 20,000 workers are there. Then who built Shah Jahan? Very good. Then detail of the building. What is the building you see? Yes, on the top what? Dome. Dome means like this. Okay. Top dome. Okay. Dome and on top and 4 pillars are there and 4 pillars are there. Yes. Then what do they tell us about the past? What? Building material? Yes. Did that time that vehicles are there to carry all the materials and all. Nowadays we have lorries, trucks are there to carry the things, materials to build a home. So that time who helped the people, the builders to carry all the things? Yes, very good. Elephant's back. The things are carried on elephant's back. Then what work? Yes, skilled and tell us about the past. Skilled and hard working. Skilled and hard working. Then who had built it? You're asking about the past. We can understood who the king was very rich. The king was very rich. Okay. Then what is about the design of building design? What we can say? The roof is similar like a mosque. Roof is similar like a mosque. Yes, roof is similar to the mosque and understood. Roof is similar to the mosque. Okay. Then write about one danger that you think the Taj Mahal faces today. What danger thing now the Taj Mahal faces? Do you know? Yes. Very good. People may scribble on the walls. The people are scribbling. Scribbling means what? Doing something on the walls and all. The people are scribbling, and if some earthquake happen means it will destroy fastly. That causes what? See, that is the danger thing. You can write the people may scribble on the walls. Understood? Okay. So shall we wind up the class? I think you understood today's class about what all the things we took. Our built heritage. So our built heritage means our historical buildings and all we studied. So what is how it help us? It help us to study about the past and all and who built it. Like that things we understood, and we study about one historical building. What it is? Taj Mahal. So we study who built Taj Mahal and its roof and all, like what? Dome, like a mosque. No, mosque you see, you know about mosque and all. At the top of the mosque you can see the dome like things. No. So these all the things we studied. So shall we wind up the class? Thank you.